I'm the project manager for Parents Matter 2, which is an initiative that was started under the umbrella of Kids Matter. We were originally started in order to address the heroin crisis in Naperville. And one of the things that we are doing to provide service for parents is having a website, parentsmatter2.org, and one service that is available on that website is called Ask the Expert. And it is a little click where parents can type in any question they have. And it can be a question about drugs or alcohol, or it can be a question about any parenting concern. Today we were at Fox Valley Institute and we shot videos from two of their therapists who are experts helping kids deal with pornography. And so drugs, alcohol, pornography, school stress, bullying, all of those things are concerns that parents have, and we can provide helpful information through our website. And we all know that knowledge is power, and when parents have the facts and they have practical tips on how to speak with their kids and how to be aware and know what to look for in the things that their kids are doing, in what they find in their kids' bedrooms, when they just are aware of all of those kinds of things, then they can parent more effectively. And we really believe that is the key to changing the crisis of the heroin that we have here.